Ladies and gentlemen, this is tomorrow's future. Omwana ono yeebase naye abakameras tebeebase era ajja bitegeera ne bwali bakuze ne bwali abakamera mufune bulungi omwana. got treatment right now. You ain't no king, man. Go have to teach. You understand? Listen. Well, this is the time to be known in the dancer. A long time in the band, I'm in panas with it. And then so, and then the concert, me music everywhere. There's something dancer, so they're ready for the dancer. When the women, all the women do the dancing. You know, so let them pass it on the top and on the happy on the base. When you see the women coming up, I'm in the key. That's how the way I'm from, I'm in the top. Fire, fire. I'm a child, I'm in the mutia. But you care. I'm a happy man, I'm a tia. But you care. I'm a you to the mutia. But you care. Panas on the tia. But you care. Kings on the tia. But you care. Ragadi.
Wakimwona basi yote mwambie namupenda sana.
kwenda mwitaki nataka kumchukua
wazazi wangu.
Federation na chief King Michael na chief. You don't know. This is a dancer treatment right here at the Federation, yeah? I'm a child and I to you, be one na chief. Orima Mulumanyi Ramiaka Kumilum Sobio. So actually, well, I'm going to kill one. I can show them of your happiness. Yeah, listen. Ono yatani kampala kwemetse byokudigi dawo mwana noleke wakangu genda neba aida nakugamba ko changa nogenda uzandike ebizembe bisukuleme ekyokwenda atinze nemmanya nti gwogenze tonya omwana nemuweereza museyi nanganda abate bukowabira mutala nemufida toyagala mwana wo gugende ekyogenda era bwotuse gyokoma katonda weetonda nti byali byokudigida ate kikuduguda abakyala tunayimba tandika che Listen to me, ladies and gentlemen. This is tomorrow's future. Omwana ono yebase. Naye abakameras tebebase. Era jabitegeera ne bali bakuze ne bali abakamera mufune bulungi omwana.
Mwana mutume erinnya.
Gwe naawe ali awo atudde. Alabasho ya King Michael ali ku Federation waliko booti, right? Ono mwana mamwe wajja mugamba nti awo wali ne King Michael ng'akuyimbira kayimba. Naye omukyala yamulese simanyi obuwaddadi w'omwana ono kyali.
Mutume erinnya.
Wangi? Muwe erinnya. Bamikazi okusinga. Mulenzi muwala simanyi mwana. Abamuwe sente. Omwana Yerina. Thank you. Njagala omwana ono mumufuwe sente ze mubadde mugenda okumufuwa. Olunaku olwaleero nalese kyebiri kubanga omwana ono alina okufuna amata. Yerina mwana muwala. Abaana b'obuwala mukimanyi bulungi mututawaanya. Segera. So ne bali bazuukuse ne bali bala ono bamuwa sente. Mukwase. Kebase nekalaba. Rina, this is King Michael sing for you this song, you know. And I want you to be a great woman in this future. Although you are sleeping, but one day you will wake up and see this video and say, King Michael, thank you so much, right? Kati abachala, njagala muyimbe nnyo, abasajja temuyimba, njagala abachala mwe muba muyimba kuba obulumi mubumanyi ng'omusajja akulekedde omwana. Sente bakyamuleetera, mumuleetere sente omwana no. Kweteeka kuno ku mwana ono. Ono yatandika mpola ng'emitse byakudyako kudikida omwana noleke wakangu genda neba aida olwakugamba kwebechanga nogenda lutandika emitemi misiridde gyokwenda etenze nemanya kikugenze tolida omwana nemuweereza muzeyi nanganda kwekawabira mutala nemufida toyagala mwana wogogenda ekyogenda geraba otuse gyokuga katonda wetonda nti ebyana ebyokudikida ate kikodogoda eka kikodogodo agenda kandanda but you still like it and you still love it. You understand? So njagala nangayo kanyimbi n'abantu bange bano kuba balumanyi emyaka gyonna. Tolekanya birala nangayo. Tugende? Tugende? Federation tugende? And this is my dedication to you, Eddie Kenzo. Upon your new president, your presidential advisor, you know. The president. Remember, you know where you come from, man, you know. Yeah. Music, man. From grass to grass. It's not easy. And because you fought for this industry, you brought many awards here. And I don't think that any artist will bring it. It's going to take years. You understand? Today, let me tell you a story. I was at home today, and I asked Google, I want you to try it on your phone because I know you have a smartphone. You ask Google that who is the famous musicians in Uganda. They're going to bring you Eddie Kenzo and others. You try it on your own. You go on your phone and go on Google and ask, yes, Google, who is the famous Ugandan male artist? The Google is going to tell you, Eddie Kenzo, then others. I give you flowers, my bro, when you're still alive, you know. Yeah, Google will tell you the right person and the right everything about it. Ati dala tuyimbe ebyo ngibamuli demo mugende mu bitrying na mamoja bila langa. Sha. Music man. Yeah. Mwana. Oba mbichana. Oba mojira kufa. Era sabanzi toruna. Otale kubatandero. Echo bechigana. Munitwegala onijamchikuwa Wotima bango wangu na ida Wali wameri nja kujibuna Narobe kubana wasanja malimba Pesa bangale bakwamuna Sirishikola kubasibe bakuzeka n'abatubereka tuli basanyufu abuli wendaka sekisi obaana ziri kujuza mukwano tolyejusa njagala kuyimba muwala bambikyana era nsaba nzitololaku ekyo bekigaana obugalo buliwo bwamaanyi akalawo bamse King Michael wakabi Hold on. Thank you so much for loving King Michael all these years. You understand? No matter what the challenge is, I am called King Michael, the most original king of the dancehall. Yeah. I'm on a way to the gate and he's the king of the dancehall. Treatment because I give you dancehall. Yeah, man. You understand? Yeah, man. And you know me because I'm a dancehall king. Yeah. You understand? So, tisobola butebaza omuntu yankwata ku mukono nangamba king va mu byokumikisinga ku lido jangu tugenda oyimbira abantu.